Hello, this is the mini Desert Eagle video. It's quite a small Desert Eagle, chrome finish. Pretty nice gun, nice shine to it. Comes with a case. I got sent two of these guns, so I got two cases, but I've just shown the one. Also, it comes with both. I've got a magazine each and a bullet each. So the slide does lock back. I'll show you that in a second. The slide locks back, and to release it, obviously push it down like a normal gun. It comes with 2 rounds. It comes with 2 rounds. Pistol, carbine bullets. And you load it into the magazine just like you would in a normal gun. Obviously I've got 2, so it's a single action only, no double action. So when you put the trigger, nothing happens unless it's cocked. It's quite realistic. It even has a rotating bolt like the real one that moves. You can see the firing pin in there, and you can actually see the firing pin there on the gun. So it actually looks, but also it's not functional. You can take them apart, you can, by, like the real one, take the magazine out, pull down the disassembly lever, pull that down, then the whole slide comes off. And I've actually disassembled it fully before, and you just take out some pins there, there, and there. You can take apart the slide by basically getting the recoil spring guide, pulling it forward. And once you pull it forward, the recoil spring comes out of the recoil spring guide, and you can take the barrel and that out and the slide. So now you've disassembled your gun. This is what it would look like. You can also disassemble your magazine by getting the feed ramp, put your finger above, pull the feed ramp out, as well as catching the spring. You can take the floor plate off by punching out this pin, but I'm not going to do that in that video. This is your gun and magazine fully disassembled. Now to reassemble. Okay, now to reassemble. Get your magazine spring and put it in the magazine. Now get your feed ramp and slot that in as well. And that's your magazine reassembled. To reassemble your slide, it's simple. Put the guide in the spring, and then get your barrel and your slide and slot that in there and push it back. Right, now that hole, there's a hole in there. Now you have to get your spring guide and put it into that hole, and then there's another hole up in there, and you have to put this end in that hole as well. So it's kind of tricky. Right, there you go, I've done that. Okay, now align your frame and your slide with the grooves. What I like to do is lock the slide back then move the lever. Right, now you can insert your magazine. Okay, now you can put it back in your case. I want to do a size comparison with a real Desert Eagle. That is tiny. But it's not even as big as the actual barrel. The barrel goes from back here. Thanks for watching this review. I'll put a link in the description to buy this mini Desert Eagle. It comes in black, silver and gold. I got the silver. Thanks for watching.